Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Hunter. If it's your first time here, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure to click the red subscribe button before we get into today's video. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me. So today I am home. I have the day off from being a flight attendant. If you guys don't know, I am a flight attendant here in the United States. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what I do when I'm not flying. I have so much going on today. I have 2 appointments. I have to go to multiple different stores. We are doing baking tonight, then a holiday party later tonight. So a lot of stuff on the agenda today. And I wanted to take you guys along with me. It is about 9:30 right now, maybe 9:15. So we are going to head out and start our day. I just wanted to say hello, good morning, happy Vlogmas day 19. We only have 6 more days of Vlogmas left. What? That's so crazy to me. But anyways, we are going to head out now and I will see you guys in the car.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Alright, so I just got to my first appointment. I'm going to head into the chiropractor. I'm going to get my neck and my back all cracked up and adjusted. The best thing about the chiropractor is that my insurance through work covers it, so you only have to pay like a $15 copay when you go, and it is the best. When I say it feels so good to get your back professionally cracked, I hope someone knows what I'm talking about. When you sit at a school desk and you lean backwards like this and crack your back, like that kind of feeling, oh, it's so good. They're like, and it's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. At first it is scary, so I'm gonna go in there, get all cracked up. I'm gonna get all cracked up, that sounds so wrong. I'm gonna get my back cracked and my neck cracked, and then after that I'm going to head over and get a massage. I try to treat myself after the chiropractor to a massage every time, just as like a little like treat for myself, for like, I don't want to like toot my own horn, but like I feel like I do a lot of like YouTube work throughout the month, so I like to treat myself and just have like a day to myself. And I am filming today, which I'm excited about because this is some stuff that you guys never really see in my life, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you are, make sure to give this vlog a thumbs up, and I'll see you when I get back.
A few moments later.
Okay, hi. It is a full hour later now. We are going to head over to the massage therapist office. It's really not that far from here, maybe like 20 minutes. So, oh my gosh, my house keys fell off today. I found them in the yard. Well, it's not like I lost them. Like, they literally fell off as I was walking to the car, and I was like, oh my gosh. So, I need to get a new key ring. Let's put that on the agenda today. The chiropractor was really, really good. I love going there. And, like, the noises, I don't know. I kind of like it when it's like you hear everything cracking. Anyways, I'm going off on a tangent now again. We need to get over there. It is 11:04 right now. I have to be there at noon, so we have plenty of time to get there. I am doing 2 hours there today, which is crazy. I've never done 2 hours. I love it though. If you guys have never got a professional massage, I highly recommend it. It was a little awkward the first time just because I'm shy, but now I'm like so comfortable. I'm like, let's do this. Alright, so I just got to my massage appointment. If you guys are from the Tampa, Clearwater, St. Petersburg area, anywhere really around there, you guys should definitely check out Massage for a Better Living. The guy's name is Chris. He is amazing. He is so sweet and so kind. He really takes the time to get into detail about like what's bothering you, or if you have any specific areas that are hurting, and he's really, really good at what he does, and I definitely would give him a 10 out of 10 recommendation. If you guys look him up online, you can see I even left recommendations for him, and now I'm recommending him to you guys. So if you're from the Tampa area, definitely check out Massage for a Better Living. I am gonna head inside now. I'm definitely not gonna take my camera in there because that's kind of awkward, and he would probably be like, what the heck are you doing? I mean, he knows that I do YouTube, but he'd be like, what are you doing, Hunter? So I'm not gonna take my camera in, so I'll see you guys in approximately 2 hours.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now driving. I just left my massage appointment. It was the best 2 hours ever. I feel so much better. My body feels so good, so relaxed. These past couple trips have been kind of kicking my butt, so I really think I needed that. I am on my way over to Best Buy now. I have a bunch of ring lights in the back, and for some reason they're not working, and I don't know why. I don't know if I'm going to be able to return, well, I don't want to return them. I want to exchange them for like literally the same thing, so hopefully they let me do that. I'm not really sure what their return policy is, but I'm going to try. You never know until you try. I need to get off on the Drew Street exit. I don't know where I am. I'm in Clearwater right now. I live very close to Clearwater, but not in like Clearwater, so I'm not familiar with this area too much. Oh, Drew Street, 1 mile, perfect. Well, I'm on my way over to Best Buy, and then we're gonna grab something for lunch real quick, and then head over to my P.O. box. We have so much going on today, it's crazy. I'm glad I vlogged this because I'm having a lot of fun with it. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I will see you guys at Best Buy. Alright, the lighting's really bad in here, but we secured the new ring light, meaning we have better quality for sit-down videos. Now that I found some good lighting, I can tell you guys a little about what's going on. So I had that ring light originally, I loved it to death. It eventually stopped working, and obviously at that point I couldn't return it because it had been so long. Then I went and got a replacement. They didn't have the exact same one that I had originally, and I absolutely hated it. Like, I really disliked this ring light. It was terrible. It never made my videos come out the same way the other one did. So I ended up getting rid of it today, and it took me a while to do it because I've just been kind of lazy, and I was supposed to return it by December 5th, and I just explained to the manager, I was like, hey, I'm a flight attendant, I was being kind of lazy, I just never got around to doing it. I was like, I don't want to return it, I just want to exchange it for the right product, and I'll pay the difference because it's like a higher price point for the one I wanted. And he was really nice. His name was also Hunter, so I think we bonded over that, and he was like, okay, I'll let you do it, like, no problem. Really, really nice guy. So Hunter from the Clearwater Best Buy, you're the real OG. I got the ring light now. I am starving, absolutely like starving Marvin right now. I just came over to Wendy's. I'm gonna get some spicy chicken nuggets. It's kind of late in the day to be eating lunch. It's 3 p.m. and I'm probably gonna be having dinner in a couple hours, so I don't really wanna like eat a lot, but I'm also very, very hungry. So I think I'm just gonna get like a kid's meal or something and a large drink, because that sounds really good right now. We have a few more stops to make today. We have to run over to the post office still and check my P.O. box. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna run over to Walmart, but we might have to go to Walmart too. So, couple more stops, boys and girls. Can I get the number 3, please? And can I do a large sweet tea with it? Always so much traffic in Florida everywhere you go. It's like living in California. What the heck? You guys are seriously so nice. You guys are crazy. I just checked this like 3 days ago or 4 days ago for Vlogmas, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different letters in there this week. You guys are so sweet. Please, you guys don't have to send me anything, but I love that I get to get letters from you guys and cards. You guys know I keep all of your cards. That is so sweet. Do you guys want me to do like a P.O. box unboxing for these? I will. So let me run home real quick and I will open these on camera. My gosh, there's so many of you. Thank you guys so much. I'm like very overwhelmed right now. I opened my P.O. box and I saw the one card. I was like, oh my gosh, someone actually sent me a card. And then I reached in, I was like, oh my gosh, what are all these cards? Thank you guys. I'm like seriously gonna like tear up. All right, I just got home. I'm gonna set this ring light up and then we're gonna do our little P.O. box unboxing haul. Oh my gosh, holy bright lights.
Hi, honey. What you doing?
Recording a video.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
Wow, you guys definitely don't understand how much I missed having this ring light. It is so much better. The videos look so much better, and this one is adjustable, so I can make it brighter, I can make it darker, I can make it different colors. So we are back in business, baby, after using that tragic ring light for the past 2 months. I promised you guys I would do a quick P.O. box unboxing / haul, so let's get started. So the first letter is from someone named Tiger, and he is from Mesa, Arizona. And it comes in this cute little Christmassy card. You guys can see it. Look how cute that is. Aw, so cute. Look at this dog. Hey Hunter, more postcards from Europe next year. In the meantime, I am enjoying yours and John's adventures. I wish you the happiest of holidays and a healthy 2020 with lots of adventure to come. Dashing through the snow. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, Tiger. The next letter comes from Madison in Michigan. You guys, these cards are so cute. There is her card. Kind of reminds me of like New York City. "Tis the season to be shopping. Hi Hunter and John, thank you for sharing your flight attendant life and other adventures. I love living vicariously through you. Also happy first wedding anniversary. Love, Madison." Madison, I will definitely follow you back on Instagram. Thank you guys for leaving your Instagram handles on here. Madison, thank you so much for this card. That was so sweet of you. The next one comes from Carolyn in Rhode Island. This is so cute. I love this envelope. Super cute. Let's open her up. These cards are so cute. "Wishing you a Merry Christmas. May you enjoy blessings, joy, and peace in Christmas time. Merry Christmas to my 2 favorite flight attendants. Love your videos." Thank you so much, Carolyn. Thank you so much. This card is so sweet. I love it. Alright, this one is really cute. It has Elvis Presley stickers on it. It is from Dwight, and he's from San Diego, California. I don't know if you guys can tell, this card is very sparkly. I love the picture on the front of it. Oh my gosh, so much glitter just fell. Oh my gosh. Oh no. "Hi Hunter and John, thank you so much for all the wonderful vlogs. Merry Christmas 2019. Oh my god. Text me if you have a layover in San Diego and we can meet for coffee." And then he left his phone number. Thank you, Dwight. And Dwight also put in a $5 gift card to Starbucks. How sweet. Thank you so much, Dwight. You did not have to do that. If we are ever in San Diego, I will definitely make sure to post about it so you guys know if we're there, and you guys can message me. Maybe we can meet up one day. Thank you so much for the Starbucks gift card. That is really so sweet. Like I told you guys don't have to send me anything. I just love getting your letters. I love getting to read and like talk to you guys through the P.O. box, and I think it's a really great way to connect with each other, but never feel like you guys have to send me any gifts. The next one comes from someone named Miller from Milwaukee. Open this up. It says, "Happy Holidays." Very cute. "Best wishes, Hunter, your buddy from Milwaukee. Merry Christmas. I love your videos. Wishing you a Christmas that is warm, bright, and filled with delight. Sincerely," oh, I'm really bad at reading the cursive, "Sam Miller." Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm probably saying your name wrong. I'm so sorry. Comment down below if this card is from you so I can actually put your real name on here. I want to say it's from Sam or Gary Miller. Alrighty, and the final card comes from Nancy in Maryland, and it's addressed to John and I. Oh my gosh, another cute card. You guys are finding the cutest little cards. Oh, okay. Oh, I see you guys commenting on my videos all the time. "Merry Christmas, Hunter and John. My sister and I watch all of your videos. Come on, 20,000 subscribers. Yes, let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I don't know if you want me to put your names on there. Thank you guys so much. I always see you on my videos and in the comments, so thank you guys so much for being loyal subscribers. Make sure to comment down below so I can talk to you guys in the comments as well. That is it for this mini P.O. box haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to keep doing this, let me know down in the comments if you enjoy watching these kind of like P.O. box, like not a whole video. I mean, maybe I could do a whole video one day about it, but I love to just throw them in. They're great fillers for you guys to have a little bit of extra content in this video. Like I said though, we do have a busy day today. We are going to have dinner in a little bit and then get ready to go out tonight with our friend for a work Christmas party. So make sure to keep watching so you can see that. I am gonna go throw the envelopes away and put the cards in my storage drawer, and I will talk to you guys in just a little bit. All right, time for dinner. Look how pretty it is outside right now. Literally gorgeous sky. Alright guys, I'm back in the car with this one now. Hey. Where are we going, John?
I don't know.
We are going to meet our friend real quick to grab a drink, and then we are gonna run over to the store. We need some stuff to make dinner tomorrow night. We're having pot roast, and then I think we're gonna get some stuff to make sugar cookies for Christmas. Alright, hi. We just got home from all of our errands that we were running. We are actually having our friends and her kids come over. It's like my niece and my nephew. We're gonna bake cookies tonight, so we're gonna make some sugar cookies before the holiday party. I'm so excited, so I'm gonna put in all that footage of us cooking for you guys. I've never really done a cooking video on my channel before, and it's not gonna be anything extravagant at all. It's probably just gonna be like a little video montage of that. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm not the best cook, but we have all hands on deck tonight, so hopefully everything goes smoothly, and let's get baking.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
Alright, so me and Maria are gonna make a gingerbread house. I don't know how good it's gonna come out. What do you think we're gonna do, Maria? You think it's gonna come out good?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, this is the final result of our gingerbread house. The whole thing collapsed, so we were putting the icing on. Luckily for us though, Maria has one too. So she's just gonna do this one on her own because clearly I'm not a baker or an artist or good at this whole gingerbread thing. You guys, welcome back to my baking channel. This is Hunter's Holiday Kitchen. Alright, we just finished baking and we're gonna get ready for the Christmas party now. I'm gonna hop in the shower, get changed, and we're gonna head out.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Nothing is complete though without a Walmart stop.
Oh my god.
Come here, Andrea.
No, I don't get in there.
She doesn't get in the vlog.
Come on.
She doesn't like to be in the vlogs.
I've seen some of them. They're
Oh gosh, you have? I'm embarrassed.
You're welcome.
He's doing vlogmas.
Cheers.
Wait, this is so good. Alright guys, we just got home from the party. I hope you guys enjoyed this busy day in my life. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so. Leave me a comment as well while you're there. I respond to all of your comments, good or bad. Share this video with friends so they can see Vlogmas 2019, and I will see you guys tomorrow.